Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in today's Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your grid lines, and even how to remove them entirely if you want a cleaner look. This is especially helpful if you prefer a different color scheme, or if you find the default grey grid lines hard to see. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding your grid line options. Here, I have a simple toy inventory spreadsheet. You can see standard grey grid lines across most of the sheet, but some cells have darker outlines. Those darker lines are actually borders, not grid lines, and we'll come back to that in a moment. A lot of people don't know that you can completely customize the grid line color, and Excel gives us multiple ways to do it. Step 2. Changing the default grid line color for the sheet. If you want to change the grid line color for the entire sheet, here's how. Go to File. Choose Options. On the left, select Advanced. Scroll almost to the bottom until you see Show Grid Lines. Right below that, look for Grid Line Color. From here, choose any color you want. I'll pick dark blue, click OK, and you'll see the entire sheet's grid lines update instantly. One important note. This setting applies only to the current sheet, not to new spreadsheets you open later. Every sheet keeps its own grid line color settings. Step 3. Understanding why some lines look darker. You might notice some lines are darker or thicker. That's because they're borders, not grid lines. Borders are added manually through the Home tab, Font Group, Borders drop-down, and Excel displays them darker so they stand out. Borders are actually another way to change line colors, just in smaller, more controlled sections. Step 4. Changing grid line colors using borders. If you want to color only a specific range rather than the whole sheet, go to the Home tab. In the Font group, open the Borders drop-down. Select Line Color. Choose a color, let's say orange. Now click and drag to select a range. Apply a border style, such as all borders, and those cells will display your chosen color. This lets you create custom-colored grid-like sections within your spreadsheet. I'll undo that by pressing Ctrl+Z, just to keep the sheet clean for the next step. Step 5. Hiding all grid lines. Sometimes you might want a completely clean-looking sheet with no grid lines at all. To hide every grid line on the sheet, go to the View tab. In the Show group, uncheck Grid Lines. Now all standard grid lines disappear, while any borders you manually added remain visible. To bring grid lines back, simply check the box again. Step 6. Hiding grid lines in only part of the sheet. You may also want to hide grid lines in some areas, but keep them visible in others. Here's how you can do that. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire worksheet. Now hold Ctrl and click and drag to deselect the areas where you want grid lines to remain. Right-click anywhere in the selected portion. Choose Format Cells. Go to the Border tab. Choose the white color. Apply Outline and Inside. Click OK. This essentially overlays white borders onto the selected area, making the grid lines invisible, while the unselected areas still show their normal grid lines. This is a great way to create clean presentation zones within a larger worksheet. And that's it. You now know 3 different ways to customize your grid lines, changing their color sheet-wide, coloring specific ranges with borders, and hiding them entirely. If you found this helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified whenever I post a new tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next video.